Hello, it's your boy JRE. Right now, we're gonna check out aespa's drama. Sorry, I almost choked on some ginger ale. aespa drama MV. I saw the teasers, like the individual teasers for each member. Each of them has their own drama, their own like little situation. Like one's different, way different from the other, and I'm like, girl, what's the tea? And that's what we're about to find out. aespa drama MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Does any of my viewers drink ginger ale? Am I the only one that? Okay, maybe. All right, aespa drama MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. Welcome to drama. Please follow 4 rules while watching the drama. Look back immediately when you feel a presence in the dark. Whoa. Well, I have my girlfriend Hedger with me with the lights on, so I should be fine. Why did they have rules, aespa? What is this? If your reflection in a mirror tries to shake your hand, do not let it. What? On the freaking back rooms type of rules? 3, light can blind your eyes. Run away at full pace. Well, I got the blinding light in my eyes, so I'm already lost. 4, all of the above is false. The only way to escape is by doing the opposite. So go to the light, full speed, shake your hand if the reflection try to shake it, and look back. Don't look back immediately when you feel a presence in the dark. Okay. Wow, this is scary. What a start. Oh, it's creepy in the beginning too. Oh. Yeah. Are you now? Oh, that was a lot. That was a lot in the beginning. Ziggy ziggy zag. I did not expect that. Ziggy ziggy zag. Girl. All right, let's go. Now that I know what we're going and walking into. The ziggy ziggy zags, that's for sure. Okay. It's true. Oh, she killing though. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Okay. Okay. Okay, savage. Let's go. Oh. What an interesting instrumental though. Like a beat. Ooh. That's a very movie filter look too. Ooh, okay, let's go. Where you coming to? Did not know it was gonna drop like that. Ooh, okay, drama. I break trauma, my mama. All right, let's go. With my girls in the back. Oh, some Kill Bill-ish too, like some Quentin Tarantino feel. Ooh, yeah, hella Kill Bill. Whoa. Listen, I don't trust it. They said prepare for a jump scare scene. I got chills. Why aespa got me checking my surroundings? Oh, there's a reflection. You are. Ooh. Open your eyes. Oh shit. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, that shot's crazy too. Back. Drama. Girl, whoa. Okay, surf. Ooh, okay. You better, Miss Ma'am. Ooh, the breakdown. I love it when SM does this too. That slow parts. Always killing. Special aespa. Let's go. Okay. All the girls in the back. Hey. Ooh. I like the whole vibe of it. That's some queen shit, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, the dancer is killing too. Oh, that beat's crazy to me. The drama. Comment down below what you guys think of aespa's drama. Drama. I think the one that surprised me the most is the way they said drama, like the way they separated drama. Mama. I break that trauma, mama. But she's drama. Whoa. Well, hold up. We need to watch it one more time. I need to watch it one more time. Yeah. Okay. That shit go hard. I don't know how you feel about that, man. Ziggy said I knew. I did not expect that, to be honest. Ziggy zag, I'm new. No, I can't let that go. I can't let that go. It's like Zimzalabim. Cause I go biggie bad, it's true. Okay. It's toxic. That? I really like this first part though. Ooh. Savage. God. Yo, she walked. Why she walked out like she was a Terminator? Oh my God. I thought that bike was on fire, but it wasn't. I was like, she's getting on a flaming bike? That's correct. But separate shot. It's like an action-packed movie. Literally, it's like a whole action scene. that was crazy. Ooh, badass right here. Ooh, hey, in the back, drama. Ooh, girls in the back. Wow. Ooh. A. One. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, cue that jump scare scene. That's why I looked around, because I'm like, girl, what are you trying to say? Okay, Miss Main character. Breezing through. Ooh. Stunner. Ignite. Bet you do, girl. Let's go, Papa. Of my eyes. Ooh. Seeing that scene is kind of crazy. It's hella epic. Literally like a blockbuster like type of song, like for movies and stuff. It feels like an action scene too. Like I can see a fight scene throughout this whole like song, except for this part maybe. This part is where it slows down, but I love it when SM does this all the time. Yes, ma'am. The R&B feel to it. The crash car kind of reminded me of like the Weeknd music video too. Woo. Making your way. Oh my God, so pretty. Ooh, badass though. Ooh, I like that Kill Bill reference though. Like the whole sword fight scene. Drama. Ooh, that part's fire right here too. Cut. Yo, I'm savage. Okay. Ooh, the dances too. I wouldn't be surprised if I've seen if this song's gonna be used like in a fight scene in a future like TV show or movie. I would love to see it. It'll go well. No more SM's jump scare? Ah. It's the only jump scare that's the only jump scare that I care about. Alright, what you guys think? Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out my Twitch live streams. I stream almost every day. Mostly around like 5 p.m. PST, 6 p.m. PST, usually around there. Follow my Discord if you want to know what I've been up to or any updates. Hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it and it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.